Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how to use DNS in your Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, you can go to settings, go to network and internet, and change adapter options. Now here we will see that my current network is Wi-Fi. So just right click on it and go to properties. First of all, you have to know your Wi-Fi is 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. My Wi-Fi is right now is 2.4 gigahertz. So if your Wi-Fi is 2.4 gigahertz, then go to Internet Protocol version 4, and if it is 5 gigahertz, then go to Internet Protocol version 6. Here my is 2.4, then go there and double tap there. Now you have to choose the use the following DNS servers. Now what I will recommend is using AirGuard DNS. So this is the AirGuard DNS. You have to input it here. I will give this DNS in the description also, and click on OK and click on OK. Now you have successfully enabled your AirGuard DNS.